Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a lot of fun with chocolate. I have a brand new mold here. This is the Iconics series of mold, and I got this from JB Prints, and I'll put down all of the information underneath this video in the description box in case you're interested in purchasing this exact mold. So this is a brand new mold released about a month ago. That is one amazing mold. Look at this. This is a professional mold as well, so you will not find this on Amazon. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 15 little cavities. I'll just show you what it looks like without the plastic on, so you can see what kind of chocolate bar that you're going to create. So you might recognize this type of bar. I'm not going to say any names, but it looks very much like a very popular chocolate bar. What I have here is some dark tempered chocolate, and I have some Kellogg's Rice Krispies, and I'm just going to add those to our chocolate and then just get all of those incorporated. And if you've never had this combo, it is amazing. You get that nice little crunch. It is awesome. Now you can do this with chocolate that is not tempered, but you'll have to freeze your mold once the chocolate has been poured so that the chocolate contracts, and that will allow it to pop out easy, or easier. You must refrigerate your mold if you're not using tempered chocolate. Okay, that looks good just like that. And then we're just going to gently fill these molds. We'll just give it a little tap. So there we go. So I'm just going to let that sit there until it sets up, and then I'll come back. So here we are. We are ready to unmold, and this is going to be exciting. I'm just going to turn it over. Whoop, there we go. Look at that. Amazing. That is the magic of well-tempered chocolate and a high-quality professional chocolate mold. And I will put all of the information for this mold down underneath the video in the description box. So look at this. That is really nice. And you should feel how light these are because of all of the Rice Krispies that are inside. Let me see if I can break one off without breaking it apart too much. Look at that. Oh, nice. Look at this. Let's give it a little snap. Look at that. Oh, and you can see the Rice Krispies in the middle. Let me go in for a nice little bite. That dark chocolate and the crunch of those Rice Krispies. Amazing. So that was a really fun video to make. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can also check me out there at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.